second book fair of the year. But this book fair is the best one because we have the buy one get one free. Which means that any item available in the book fair is buy one get one free. If the price is $9.99, you get the second item for $9.99. Okay? We've got posters, pens, markers, lots of books. Erasers. Okay, let me tell you about these posters. Posters from 1 to 7 are $1. Plus tax, boys and girls. Don't forget about the tax. And then posters from 8 to 18 are $4.75 plus tax. So always tell your parents that every single item has tax. So you need to bring a little bit of extra money for the taxes, okay? The book fair will be here all week long. You're going to have the opportunity to go around the book fair and view what is available, okay? At the same time, next week, we are going to be celebrating National Library Week. Okay, so we're going to have different activities going on, which starts on Monday. It's Monday, all tied up in reading, which means you can bring a bow tie, a necktie, or the girls' hair bow. Yes, okay? On Tuesday, it's Team Up with a Good Book, which means you can bring a t-shirt of your Dallas Cowboys shirt, the sweater, any sports shirt. The what? Yes, anything. Okay? On Wednesday, it's Every Hero Has a Story. So you bring your superhero t-shirts or a cape. Okay? Yes. On Thursday, it's a book about Dr. Seuss. All the places you will go. Which means you can come dressed up as something that you want to be in the future. A policeman, a teacher, a doctor, whatever you want. Okay? On Friday, it's Our Library Has Awesome Books. So you wear your Bobcat shirt or something green. Okay? You don't have a Bobcat shirt? You wear something green. Okay? So right now we're going to line up and look around the book fair. Okay? And you know what? We have a guest showing up today right now. Guess who it is?
Come and get it. Come and get it.